Happy Saturday morning. Everybody see that clip from the Secretary of Commerce, Howard Lutnick, who's a billionaire, saying that if you want or need or actually try to collect your Social Security benefits, then you're committing fraud? I've been paying into Social Security for 43 years. And the billionaire Secretary of Commerce said that if Social Security misses a month and doesn't send out any checks, and you call them and say, "Where's my check? I need my check," that you're a fraudster. You're a fraudster. This is going to end poorly.